Hello, everyone. Welcome to Reflections 26. Today is all about headaches and mind fog. And I used to suffer from migraines years ago when I was going through my wake up and expansion experience. And I remember a few times where it just would put me out in bed. So I know how debilitating they can be. This body geometry is really wildly popular. Now we're bringing it to a whole nother level with sacred geometry and a violet flame decree, which is going to help hugely. And then, of course, I'm going to show you the actual body geometry. And, it works great on headaches and mind fog. Mind fog disappears instantaneously, and you have clarity of mind. Headaches, they can take depending on the severity of it, can probably take a little bit longer, but we're going to roll through that and you use your own inner intuition to kind of figure out where you are in that gauge and how long to do it. So all I want you to do is take 3 deep breaths, breathing through your mouth, exhaling through your nose. Okay, just relax and get in that place of power. Okay, now have a look at the sacred geometry and listen to me reading the violet flame decree. This one is beautiful. Violet flame decree for clarity and healing, mind fog and headaches. I call upon the violet flame, sacred fire of transmutation of and healing to cleanse my mind, body, and spirit and dissolve all heaviness within me. Flame of light, burn so bright, clear my head, restore my sight. Release the fog, release the strain, bring balance, ease, and peace again. Let your energy flow through my mind, dissolving tension, leaving peace behind. Every thought now sharp and clear, in perfect harmony, free from fear. With gratitude, I now decree I am whole, I am free. By the power of divine light, I am healed, my mind is bright. So it is, and so it shall be. Okay, my head's buzzing. Okay, so this body geometry is not complicated, but you need to pay attention to it. So let's go ahead and get our elbows down, palms facing out. Let's bring our hands together. Go ahead and create the V. From here, you're going to breathe in through your mouth, exhaling through your nose. This symbol has been around since time immemorial. It has amazing properties. When we use it for the body geometries, the reflections, and you open like this, there's this instant spiraling vortex of energy that just kicks up, and we're ready to rock and roll. From here, go ahead and separate your hands. And I'm going to show you on both hands. It's pretty simple. We're just wrapping the pinky over this finger. We're taking our pointy finger and wrapping it there. So it looks like this on my right hand, and on my left hand, it looks like this. Super simple. Okay. From here, we're going to touch our pinkies together. Oh, sorry, I had that a little bit wrong. Here, we're going to touch our pinkies together. I'm going to close our thumbs. So this is what it looks like. Now remember, if you fold one over the other the wrong way, it's okay. This is all about the energetic flow. This is a very powerful body geometry. Do not take it lightly. From here, you're going to roll your hands forward, breathe through your mouth, breathing through the body geometry, exhaling through the nose. With each in-breath, you should feel the tension in your head going away. On the third in-breath, any mind fog should be gone, and you should be extremely clear at that point. Do this 30, 45 seconds, and then give it a little time if you have a severe headache to kind of dissipate. Now, headaches, it takes a little bit longer. Mind fog is pretty much instant. This Reflections 26, clear up headaches and mind fogs, folks. I hope you're enjoying these videos. If you would, leave a like at the bottom, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. The more comments I get about what I am doing right, what I'm doing wrong, the better I can make these videos as we kind of move through them together. And we still have quite a few to go. Thanks, folks. Have a beautiful day.